Hello everybody. So 4 years ago when I lost 20 kgs, I thought my darkest days were behind me. No more looking for clothes in the XL section, no more feeling like the unattractive one amongst your friend circle, and certainly no more getting mocked by relatives. Right? I was finally skinny. I felt more beautiful and sexier than I had imagined I would, and I also felt incredibly confident. But all that changed about 3 years back when I found out that I was pregnant. Now, if you know me at all, you know that I'm a massive stress eater, and this pregnancy was no joy ride, you guys. Right from the first day, it was extremely painful and very tough on me. On more than one occasion, I thought I was gonna lose the pregnancy, and this constant uncertainty and fear that I was gonna lose the pregnancy only added fuel to my eating disorder. Also, the raging hormones and the mood swings didn't help either. And to top it all off, in my first trimester, I was diagnosed with hypothyroidism, which meant that every time I ate, whether healthy or unhealthy, my body just converted it into fat straight away. All in all, in a matter of 9 months, I went from weighing 49 kgs, which was my lowest weight ever, to about 76 kgs, which till date is my highest weight. At the time of discharge, I was at about 69 kgs, which was basically where I started 4 years back when I first started my weight loss journey. And because I had to go through an emergency C-section, and also during my pregnancy, because my stomach muscles had split, my recovery was super long. Even after about a year or so, I could still feel little tugs and pains where my sutures were there. Additionally, I also had supply issues, which I think is again because of my C-section. So all in all, I put the thought of weight loss and losing weight out of my mind, at least until my baby was about 1 year, 1.5 year-ish or so. But right from the starting of this year, I've been really meaning to put myself back on diet. I've tried on many occasions to start working out routinely, but being a mom also means that you're never the priority. It has really been difficult to consistently cook diet food for myself every single day whilst cooking a separate meal for my family, and also it has been really impossible to make some time for myself so I can work out as well. And unfortunately, it has reached a point where I can no longer get down the stairs or even get up the stairs without my knees hurting me like hell. And now every time I take a step, my feet are in excruciating pain. Come evening, my lower back is hurting, and I know my weight and fitness is mostly to blame all of these pains that I'm going through. And to top it all off, my insecurity is about my weight, my problem or issues with my body image. They're all creeping back, you guys. I'm not in a great space when it comes to those things right now. So I thought enough is enough. Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna put myself through a weight loss journey 2.0. Yeah! This time around, I'm not going to put myself through an impossible diet or exercise routine. Instead, I'm gonna eat regular home cooked food that I make for my husband. I'm gonna eat the same thing, and I'm gonna aim to eat at least 1500 calories, and I'll also be doing intermittent fasting, which means that I'll be eating between a span of 8-hour window. Workout wise, I'm gonna go for a walk in the morning, do 10,000 steps, and only then come back home. As of today morning, when I went on the scale, I was 68 kgs, and the goal is to lose 20 kgs in 6 months time. That's about 3.5 kgs or little less than that per month, and I think we can just do it. How many of you are with me on this one? How many of you are excited to lose weight, get fit, get healthy, be in a place where you can go play with your baby and be the best parent you can be for them, be the best person you can be for yourself? Also, I've worked on my meal plan, a whole bunch of healthy recipes. I've been posting all of those on Instagram, so you guys wanna follow me there to keep in touch with me on a day-to-day basis, see what I eat, how much I work out, and hopefully you guys can do it with me and share those in posts and we can keep each other motivated, right? So I will see you guys in my next one with a super healthy recipe that you guys can incorporate in your daily cooking and into your daily eating and lose weight with me. Chalo, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.